everybody, this is Roxy, and I just wanted to show my last 2 books that I've worked on. This is the most recent one for canning and preserves, and I love how the cover turned out. This is just a little cutout from the Cricut, and then I just kind of outlined it, made it look like it's hanging from the sign. These are alphabet stamps I use. And I'm going to do a video on my alphabet sets because a lot of them are still available. Most of them I've gotten at garage sales recently. Not most, but a lot. So, and then this is Dollar Tree eyelash. These are little Dollar Tree tassels. And here's the inside. I might still put something here, otherwise I kind of want to just leave it. They can slide in one of their own cards. And I think I mentioned in my Watch Me Make video that I use a lot of old pages from cookbooks, and I kind of wanted to do a canning and preserving one for this book, so I used some of that stuff. This is from the paper pack, as are some of these recipe cards. Some of these are from different paper packs. I shouldn't say they're just from this one. This is from a different paper pack. These are old recipe cards. A graphic 45. Vintage ribbon. One of my homemade cards on some vintage index cards. And then just a tag from this paper pack. And the vintage seam binding. Another piece from the cookbook. I think this is a Better Homes and Garden cookbook. That's that one. These are from Dollar Tree. The little index cards. And there's another page. And that's from We're Better Together Cricut cartridge. There's some more fun things. These are recipes for jams. Another one of my index cards. And I kind of just stuck them together like this, so it'd be easier to pull them in and out, and they wouldn't slide around. This is Poppin' Fresh Buys. I bought a couple order slip packs at a flea market last year. So those are cool. Another tag with some vintage seam binding again. And some of these, as you can see, I left the banding strip on because it's so cute and decorative. And who remembers these? I loved. My mom would let me pull them off the machine when we cashed out at the grocery store. And then once every summer we got to go to the S&H Green Stamp store on University Avenue, which is the street in St. Paul where all the businesses were burned and destroyed during these riots recently. But anyways, we'd go there and it was so much fun. They had all kinds of stuff. One year we got a badminton set, and then another time we got a really cool rotisserie grill just from saving all these. I got something that's banging over there. And that's from my kitchen Cricut cartridge. And here's a cute butterfly die that I have. Another one of my little card kind of collages or whatever. And then this is the back of that Poppin' Fresh order form. And I just scallop cut it out by hand just to kind of make it cuter. You know, so it's not that piece of paper or whatever. And then a vintage Cool Whip coupon. Another page from that Better Homes and Garden cookbook about putting up corn. I do this every year. And in the winter, it tastes like you cut it off the cob. But you you blanch and whatever. Put some sugar on it, and they taste just like corn on the cob. Here's some more, and there's my last homemade card. So there's that one. I love how it turned out. I love this paper. And then this one is kind of like a cabiny, farmhousey, outdoor grilling kind of thing. And I don't remember this paper pack. I think this is Ecopeco. But then here's some... I gotta stop that thing. There. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's driving me nuts. It was my coffee cup display thing banging against each other. Alright, back to this. That's from a Better Homes and Garden cookbook. I think it was Outdoor Grilling book. And this is Cardabella's Homegrown paper. That's the name of it. And then I just did some die cuts and stuff. These are some vintage recipe cards I had. And then this I just wanted to show how this was one of the cutouts from the homegrown collection, but I just fussy cut it with scissors to do like a scallop around it, like that Poppin' Fresh thing. So you can really change the look of it compared to having a big card like that, which wouldn't really show off the background paper too much. Another page from the grill cookbook. And then this is, I think that's, that was the branding strip on the top of this paper. So I used both pieces. How cute with the scallop. And that's another little cards that I made on my vintage cards. These are my favorite. From Michaels, I love them. Another card, and then just another page. And these all open up and have recipes. So they're kind of fun. You're a peach. And then camping. And that's a punch that I used on that. And what I did is I glued the sides down, and you can tuck that in so it doesn't get all flying around in there. I thought that was cute. Some of these I glued together, again, so they wouldn't go flying around. Like that. Oh, it's not. I'm lying. That was fine, and now I moved it. Oops. There. I love this paper. Some more recipes. This one I glued down, and then you can just tuck the card in there. And same with this, is glued down a little bit. It's another one of my mason jars, and then I just got these cute stamps. I think they're Stampin' Up. The little fat animals. I kind of like how they're not fancy like these, but they kind of still work with the other ones. That's just a scallop punched. This is from the collection, the paper pad. I thought this was a cool picture to have in there. This is glued down, so that'll tuck. And that's the end. And there's that one. So I'm going to make more, but I don't know that I'll be showing all of them, because I'm sure you're getting bored by now. But I hope you give it a try. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And if you want to subscribe if you haven't, and give me a like if you'd like. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.